All right, let's talk about how I made $1,100 today. Good day. Today's one of those days where okay, this is a 5-minute chart. Like I said earlier today, I'm gonna try to trade. I did not sit and hold like I was supposed to do. I mean, I didn't just get in and get out the charts like I was supposed to do, but because I like to take my profits, sadly to say. So I was gonna get on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. So I was gonna over leverage like this is gonna make me like 4 grand. Okay, the original 1 to 2 was down here, which I originally had my take profit for this one. I did set both of these, but you see on the 1 minute, it missed by a tick. Because yesterday, look at it. Look how close it was. Look how close it is. Look how close it is to this. It didn't enter. It came back up. I had it on for a while, honestly, for it to maybe it went down here a little bit, tapped in, and then kept going down. But after this one tapped in and it came down all the way down to here, I just closed this one because I didn't want to go and stop me out. For this would be like a 2 grand loss. This is already like a $1,200 loss. And this would be like a 700 to make 1,400. And this was a 1,200 to make like 25. So it'd have been a good day. It did not tap me in on the 1. That's why I've been entering on the 5. The 5 is just more risk to reward that I don't like. This is a better risk to reward than I like. But we have a 1 hour fair value gap here that should go to soon. It's been choppy. I probably should have held this, honestly, but I wound up moving my stop loss here. And then once it came down to these lows, I got out here. So that's been like a 2 to 4. Technically, it's a 1 to 2. I at least this is a 1 to 5 on the original trade. I at least wanted it down to here. It's still probably going to go. These are like the equal lows. It's very choppy, but that's how it has been. Like even the one yesterday I didn't take. I honestly wanted to take this little baby trade up to here. I didn't take it. I got in here to get stopped out for it to go my way. But I should have just done it on the 5 minute. But it still looked choppy, and then it goes, which is not that fun, but you can just hold it. And same with the morning session. Obviously, in the morning, I got my win yesterday. I did play this movement up into the retracement. And then on this one, it did tap into the 1 minute fair value gap here. And then this is the 5 minute. But you could take this one for a 1 to 2 as well. I am confident the one today is probably going to hit. But again, I like to take my profits. Maybe if I didn't watch, it would hit 1 to 2. But sometimes, like I said, like in February, it's been like going like this, so close, and then reversing on your ass. Even though yesterday it did it, remember, each trade is an individual trade. Each trade is a new trade. And at the same time, I'm kind of like, let's put it to the original just to see, instead of just the one I just did. Obviously, a 1 to 5. I feel like I'm really confident these are equal lows. But I feel like I kind of want to be that person like I just hits $2,000 or $1,000, $2,000, and I'm out. $1,000, $2,000. If I would have been in both of these, I would have held this for sure, because this one would have been closed out for 1,400. This just would have been boom. I probably was just gonna move this to break even, honestly, and then so I wouldn't have lost on this trade at all. But I didn't. I got a gain. I like that. Set and get off the charts is still like, it's hard for me again, because I said I'd rather take profit and it go my way, not go my way, versus waiting for it to just hit my profit every time. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of might do that at this point, just get to a point where I am getting $1,000, closing the trade. Because some people do that. Some people do 1 to 1 because yes, you want your losses to be smaller than your wins, but if your strategy is 70%, you're going to win more than you're going to lose in general. So it doesn't matter, but it does matter. So some people do just do 1 to 1s. And look at it. It's probably going my way. Patience. I'm still working on it, but it's okay. I'll take my $1,000. I'm probably not going to trade this afternoon. I'm going to take that win and come back tomorrow and trade twice. I can't trade Thursday because I'll be in LA handling some business. But I'll be back on Friday. And it looks like, yeah, I'll be funded by next week, which will still be 5 months. It'll be just the end of 5 months, like 5 months in a week. So It's looking good. I'm taking it day by day, trade by trade. I might read the tape today, but I don't like reading the tape sometimes now because I will read the tape and enter. But this is one of those things where, like, if you're patient, it's gonna go. But again, I like taking my wins. We may equal lows here too that is swept and it was bouncing off of. So I listen. Take your wins. Take your wins. We love it.